Hi, this is Gary with MacMost.com. On today's episode, let's take a look at using connection lines in Pages and Keynote. So I'm using Pages version 5.5 right here, and I've created a blank document. I'm going to go in and just to make things simpler, select Document and turn off the document body to convert it into a layout document. So now we're not dealing with this big text field behind everything. Now I'm going to create a bunch of shapes here. So I'm going to create a circle, I'm going to do a square, and a diamond. And I can connect these using connection lines. So the way it works is I'll select one and then I'll Command click and select another. I'm going to go to Insert Line, and there's three types of connection lines here: straight, curved, and right angle. I'll be able to switch between the three of them. So let's just select straight for now. And I get this line that's connecting the two items that I had selected. And if I move one, the line moves with it. Now I can continue to add connections. So I can select this one here, Command click there to select two of them, Insert Line, and I can do a curved connection line here. And now you can see I've got this line and this line, and I can move things around. Notice also if I select the line, which is a little tricky to select that narrow line, I have a green dot here. I can use that to change the curve. With the straight one, you'll see that it really is just a curve that has no curve to it. So now I can curve it. I can also select the line itself and drag, and you can see it drags the two items that are connected together. This line goes along for the ride, but this item does not. Now when I select a line like this, I have some formatting options. I click Format here. I can go down and I can see the connection, and I can change between straight, curved, and a right angle corner line like that. I can also set an offset. So you can see that's the offset there at the beginning and the end. I could lock it so that I can't easily get rid of it here. If I lock it, you can see it doesn't look like there's anything I can do. I actually can select it. You can see the X's there, I mean it's selected, and I can unlock. Now I'll get access to it again. So there's a lot of different things I can do here. I also can go to Style and change the style of the line. So it gives me some options here. A lot of different things I can do here that you can do with other kinds of things. And you can add a specific style if you want as you modify things. So if I change the stroke here or the color, I can add that as another option here, and it'll save it. I can also have endpoints be things like arrows, boxes, all sorts of things like that. So I have a lot of versatility here in the style section to be able to change these lines. Then I could apply them, take this one and apply it there as well. So here's how fast you can create an organizational chart with this. I'm going to create a shape here and type some text into it, make it into a bit of a rectangle, maybe choose a better style, and then I'm going to Option drag to duplicate it really fast here. And you can see that the alignment tool is allowing me to make a really nice looking chart right away. Let's do something like that. I can select any two of these and insert a connection line between them. So I can keep doing that until I have all the connections I want. And there you go. And it's pretty easy then to move multiple items. Like for instance, if I wanted to move these three here, I could grab them all and move them like that, and then maybe even make a corner line there, which makes a little bit more sense. With these, I can probably drag this to another corner here. There I go. To have a better fit with what I want to do with the chart. It's also easy to make flowcharts this way. So I just create a shape here, put some text in it, and duplicate that a bunch of times as well. And then get connection lines going between all of them. So you can do curved, you can do straight, or you can use the angle ones. and easily switch between them. And then you could add arrows as well and increase the size. So there's that one. You can see I don't want the arrow in that direction, so I'll go to none here and I'll put the arrow in that direction. And it's easy to change these on the fly. And change the color and the style, and then move things around as you need. And these also work in Keynote. Same way. Select the two items, insert a line, and there's the connection line options. And you have the styles, you've got the arrangements the same way as you did before. Matter of fact, you can even copy and paste between. So there you can go. You can easily bring them from one into the other.